Sairam children, welcome. Myself Bhavani Kundekar, and we are going to start today the subject geography. As you must be aware that what all we study in geography. This geography exactly contains all the study about the earth exactly, surface of the earth as well as the interior of the earth. So let us learn in detail what you have learned in 6th standard, how it's going to help you out to make out your 8th standard also. So let us move for your first topic of your subject, that is local time and standard time. Children, now you must be getting confused with what is the meaning of local time and standard time. Usually time is time, but still why it has been differentiated like local time and standard time. Let me give you a rough thing, like local time is the daily routine which you follow. Okay, that only we are going to learn in this chapter. And standard time which is followed throughout the country. That is because in your 6th standard you have learned about your parallel of latitudes and longitudes that you have studied. In that you must have come across latitudes helps us to make about the climatical condition, and longitude help us to make know the timing of that particular country or continent where that longitude falls, and that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, let us move further. See, as I told you, local time when we talk about, it's all your daily routine. Let us read. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and then go to school. We study in our classroom. We return home. We go to the playground to play in the evening. This, as I told you, this is your daily routine. As soon as morning 5 o'clock alarm goes, you will get up. That is your daily routine. That will be your local time. That local time will be considering your daily routine, and that particular time which you are following, getting up in the morning, going to school, going to the class, that all things you're going to the what time you will go to play, what time you will do your homework, that you will decide in your daily routine. Throughout the day you will list your timetable, what all things have to be done, in what time you will have your food, what time you will have your lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything. That is known as your local time. Let us move further. This will consider your daily routine. We need to decide the time for all our activities. Okay, that only I have discussed. Okay, let us move further. In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time. This divides the day into the following parts: from sunrise to sunset, daytime, from the sunset to the next sunrise, nighttime. Children, as you are aware, all our Indian festival is depend on the moon. Same way in the olden days, people never had a watch, digital watch or wrist watch, wall clock, whatever we called it as. Gati Prata, like that they have a sand timer, like that they used to use in the olden days. But only with the rich people it used to be. But what about the poor people? Not only poor people, in the olden days, people never had a watch. Even the sand timer was not there. So at that time, they used to fully depend on the position of the sun. Yes, that is what they have been explained in this one. That when the sun rise, that means the day have started. Even in some of the village areas or in the remote areas, even today, if you travel or if you go, they are still depend on the sunrise and sunset. As soon as the sunrise, or it is early morning 4:30 or 5, they will get up and they will start for their duty, like farming, whatever, according to their occupation. They will move. As soon as the sun set, they will stop all their work and they will go to home. And by 6 or 7:30 and 8, they will go to sleep. That is in the village areas I'm talking about, very remote areas. Even today it is there. So same way was followed in the olden days. Okay, children. So even today some of the people are following the sun, position of the sun. That is what local time we are talking all about. Let us move further. The earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. Rotation means earth will take a round among itself. Okay, that is rotation, don't get confused. Revolve, like earth is taking a round among itself is a rotation. We consider the direction where the sun rises to be east. Thus, the earth rotates from west to east. As a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. Yes, this all things just to take a one full round of the earth, it takes 24 hours. Yes, and within that 24 hours, we experience this all things, that is sunrise, then afternoon, then sunset, that is evening time we call it as, and then the midnight. So, children, this activity when it takes place, that means one entire day is been taken by the earth to rotate. And that's why we experience this all four things, that is sunrise, noon, that is afternoon, sunset, that is evening, and midnight. See, this is a picture which is telling us that as the rotation of the earth takes from west to east, that is from my left hand side to the right hand side, the earth rotates. It's a direction is given. Okay, if you want, you can read also longitudes lying to the east of any longitudes are ahead for the time, and at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. This is just for your example I'm telling you, because I'll be showing you more picture related to this. Just for your knowledge, I have given this picture that the the earth rotates from west to east. So it is but obvious that east place, whatever place or continent comes first in the east direction, that people gets the sunrise first. No different, it may be a hour or half an hour, it depend on the longitude. Okay, as you are aware that one longitude have a 4 minutes difference. Yes, if you move from 19 degree to 20 degree, it takes 4 minutes. Yes, so accordingly depends upon the each longitudes. So east to west, when it moves, the first place will come in contact with the sunrise will be the east side direction, and whereas the west side direction of that left hand side, that is west side, they will be getting a night time. Exactly, slowly they will getting a date. Let us see in the further picture more clear about it. Okay, let us move ahead. During rotation, the longitudes in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in the east experiences dark. As soon as the sun keeps on rotating, the other side of the part will experience dark. That's why you must have you can ask your friends or relatives, those who are staying abroad or in the foreign countries, that they experience night time when it is day here, and they experience day when it is night over in India. So that is what we are going to study in this chapter, that is about the local time and standard time. We are just studying about the local time right now, but just for your understanding of this topic, this slide I'm just telling you to ask your friends or relatives, those who are staying in foreign countries. Let us move further. While traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, buildings, etc. outside the window. They appear to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are stationary, and our bus is moving forward. Same like the sun is not moving, but the earth is moving, or earth is rotating. That's why we feel the sun is moving from west to east. Exactly. And depending on this, even our shadow. Let me tell you one more thing. In the olden days, even the shadows, they used to make it identify. Okay, the sun is going to set as soon, like very soon, because our shadows have increasing. That also we are going to explain. So shadows, even the sunset, sunrise, that also was a time taken as a time to consider by the olden days. But now let us come with this topic. While traveling in the bus, we are seeing that everything is moving forward. But is it so that electric pole and bus is moving? No. Actually, the sun is rotating. Like that, the bus is moving ahead. That's why we feel that everything is moving. But actually, the bus is moving ahead. Like that, Sun is not moving, sun is in the same place, the earth is taking a rotation. That's why we feel the sun is moving and we are getting sunset and sunrise because of the rotation of the earth, which takes place 24 hours to complete one entire rotation. Now let's move. Similarly, because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. As I shown you the previous picture, in that it is, I just told you that earth is moving from west to east. Like that we feel that sun is moving from east to west, opposite direction. As I told you, sun is not moving, children, but the earth is moving, rotating. So that's why we feel that sun is also changing its position. See, when we see in the morning the sun rises, your shadow is long, or shadow is tall. As exactly 12 noon, your shadow is short. Again, as the 12 noon cross, that when the sun starts setting, at that time you can see it's evening time, again your shadow increases. These are the two period when morning and in the evening your shadows are big, yes, long. Whereas in the noon it is short. And have you heard from your grandparents, or your parents also must be telling, it's 12 noon now, don't go out, it's going to be very dangerous for you. It will be, you will have a headache and all. Yes, it's over the head. It's over the head. It's 12 noon. Come on, don't go out. Have you heard during now? You must be experiencing in your apartment or when you play outside. Suppose if you're playing, don't go if you're playing also. But if you're playing, your parents must be asking you to come back home at 12 noon now. Yes, and that means over the head it is 12 noon, and that also we can make out with a shadow which we come across. Our shadow keeps on decreasing at 12 noon, and as soon as in the evening, again the shadow keeps on increasing. Okay, let us move further. This will help you out to know the position of the sun and how much the earth has rotated from that place to another. Incidentally, we also experience that it is cooler in the morning and evening and warmer in the afternoon. Now, as we are in a May month season, May month as it is a summer season, but even summer season in the morning will feel little cooler because the sun rays is not directly getting affected to our place, just a light. But as soon as in the afternoon the sun rays is very, very that much that warmer, that we feel very hot. As it keeps on moving, the earth rotates to the other evening, to the sunset time, we get a little cool breeze around evening time. Yes, we must be enjoying in our balcony and all. Yes, balcony in the terrace, on the terrace we go sometime to take a cool breeze so that we can feel a, because of summer season we may feel hot. So this all things we are experiencing. Let us move. This all things are going to help us for our daily routine, children. In the morning if you feel cool, that means it's a morning. Very hot means it's a afternoon time. Again little cool, that means it's a evening time. This is also a local, can be considered as a local time. So time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as local time. As I told you, when you play outside at 12 noon, your mother or your grandparents must be calling you. Okay, it's 12 noon, it's going to be very hot. Come on, it's the sun is over the head. Come on, let come. You come inside and sit inside. It is going to be very big headache for you if you will go play in the afternoon. So children, that kind of a routine which we follow, that is known as local time. So let us move. What is local time? With the picture we will let us explain. See, sun is there and there in the right hand side. Can you see? The earth is rotating, as I told you. 24 hours it takes. Now can you see the noon, and in the, now can you see the left hand side picture? In that earth has been seen. Can you see the noon, and in the right side again it is just little darker and it is written midnight? Yes, that midnight, that means that part of the earth is experiencing night time. Yes, and whereas the right hand side of the earth is experiencing a daytime because of the sun rays. Exactly. As soon as this will the rotation will complete, again this the other side will experiencing the day, and we are going to experience the night time. This is a local time where we follow. Our morning getting up till the evening we sleep or the sun set. This is known as local time. Now let us move to your next topic, standard time. What is the meaning of standard time? As do you remember just now I told you that sun or earth rotates from your west to east, and sun rises from the east, exactly as per the rotation, as per the movement or the position of the sun. The first sunlight falls in the east, and whereas when it by the time it comes to the very mid of the place or the noon, it will be 12 o'clock. So now that is going to explain in the standard time. The east side of the people will experience early the morning. Let us see that only the standard time. Different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon and sunset. When it is noon at Mumbai, it won't be the same at Kolkata. Because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai, it would already be afternoon in Kolkata. As I told you, the rotation of the earth is from the west to east, whereas the sun rises from the east, the direction. So the first light or the first sun rays comes in the east, that is in the Kolkata. So by the time the Mumbai will experience the morning, it will be not vast difference, children, but just a point, because one longitude of having a difference of 4 minutes, as I told you, and I'll explain you further that how many difference in the longitude of the Kolkata and Mumbai. Let us see that also. So because of that, Kolkata will experience early the morning. That will be hardly 1 hour. Yes, hardly 1 hour. Let us see further. Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Now find the difference. Now as I told you, 1 degree is having 4 minutes difference. When it will move to 73 to 74, it will take 4 minutes. So now find out the difference between both the Mumbai and Kolkata difference. Can you make it? Okay, move. Let us move. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India, but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by an hour. Yes, because can you see 15 degree is a difference into 4, exactly. That is 1 hour difference, 60 minutes. So although in India itself, from Kolkata to Mumbai is only hour difference, that's why we can consider as one standard time. We will not have much difference, because of course east means Kolkata comes first. They will experience the sunrise but earlier than Mumbai people. Okay, we Mumbai people will experience later than the Kolkata. So that difference is going to be considered as a standard time. But that doesn't mean Kolkata is having that time. Now Mumbai is having that time. So Jammu Kashmir will have that time. Kanyakumari will have that time. We cannot say like that. To just measure the exact time, we have made a standard time. Now what is that standard time? Although Mumbai and Kolkata is having 1 hour difference, that doesn't mean we will say what is the Indian standard time then. Okay, let us see. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude, which generally passes through the middle of the country, is dimmed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. Yes, that is standard time. Daily, so as I told you, first Kolkata comes, so east, that is east side, they will face the morning earlier sunrise, they will experience first. That doesn't mean the difference will make a variation. That is, Kolkata is having 1 hour early, so Mumbai is having 1 hour late. No, we have a standard time. Although whether it is a sunrise over there early, we have a standard time, that is 12 o'clock. Noon means everywhere it will be 12 o'clock noon in entire country. That is what the, because longitude when it comes in the noon, that is in the north pole to south pole, that will be 12 noon. That will be considered as standard time of our country. Local time I'm not talking about, children. Local time is our daily routine, that is that is over. Standard time will be considered, it is a hardly an hour. If it is more than 2 hour or 2.5 hour, then we have to think about to make a, there will be a very difference in the standard time of that particular country. But India will not experience that, because India is having hardly 1 hour difference. Okay, so when it comes to the proper north pole to south pole, that 12 o'clock, that will be known as 12 o'clock noon. So that's why India has having a one standard time. When it is 12 o'clock noon, means the entire country will have a 12 o'clock noon. Yes. But whereas other country which is very broad and having a different longitude, they are come and fall into, then there it will be a variety of varies in the standard time, because it should not be more than 2.5 hours. Then definitely they will find it difficult to just go for the standard time. Local time they can do it according to their timing of sunrise and sunset, but standard time will be useful for them to go for the job. Yes, when you go to the job, when you go catch a train, when you go to school, it should be having a standard time. In your house it will be 7 o'clock, that is your local time. But once you go get up in the like once you go down and 7 o'clock, it's in your time, but by the time you go in your school, it will be 7:30. That means you are late, correct? Yes, because school reporting time is 7:15. So like that, children, standard time has been followed by entire country, so that there should not be a problem among the people, that 12 o'clock means everybody will experience the 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock means every office will have a lunch break. 1 o'clock means everywhere it will be in the entire country will having the same time been followed. Although Kolkata is a 1 year earlier, but that will be their routine one. But when we follow about the standard time, it will be followed by Mumbai and Kolkata will be same. Okay. Normally, the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours. Only one standard time is considered for the country. As I told you, Mumbai and Kolkata is hardly having 1 hour difference. So we can follow one standard time. It will not make much difference. Okay, local time, that is as per their this one, their activities, their daily routine or daily activities. But when we talk about the standard time, means everywhere it will be 12 o'clock. This will help them to catch a train or airways and all. Suppose if they want to board a train or board a plane and all, that will be helpful. The helpful will be standard time. They cannot say it in my watch it is 12 o'clock. How come you can tell it is 11 o'clock now? So that way they cannot have a question or query. At that time we follow the standard time. Okay, because hardly one hour, as I told you. So if it is less than 1 or 2 hour, we can go for a one single standard time. But if the longitudinal extent, east west extent, that is east to west extent, is more than that is more than 2 hours, one standard time is not enough, and it is in such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. In such cases, there cannot be one single standard time can be followed if there is more than 2 hours difference. So in such cases, we have that particular country, India will follow only one standard time. But whereas when we talk about the one particular country which will extend more than 2 to 3 hours, as we are going to learn in the further about the England, Canada and all, we are going to learn. So but in that, India is having only one standard time, whereas some countries are having more than 2.5 hours difference within their continent itself or within their country itself. So at that time, for them, they are finding it difficult to go for one standard time. So let us move. Before we move to the next, I just wanted to ask you a few questions. So where is the sun located in the sky? when the shadow is the shortest? Yes, that is 12 noon. Yes, 12 noon in the afternoon, the your shadow is very shortest. Exactly in the 12 noon. That is when the sun is over the head. We usually tell that the sun is over the head. At what time are the shadows longest? Why it is written what times? Because two times that the shadow is, yes, the shadow is longest, that is in the morning as well as in the evening. Okay, that's why that word is written. Question is there, what times? That is in the morning as well as in the evening. So children, here we come to an end. So what all things we have learned about the local time, our daily activities, and standard time, followed by the entire country, that is known as standard time. So I hope you will read the textbook very thoroughly to answer all the questions. Okay. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.